Alright, so we got our peace and justice pin, and then we got our credentials to get in.
Before we begin, if you have a flash, please make sure those are turned off. Also, please don't touch the chambers. For safety's sake, we don't want you to lose any fingers or more. And lastly, be here with us. Now, some introductions. Starting off over here, let's see, we have Jennifer there coming around. We have Brian. On this side, we have Keiko and Jazz. Over here, we have Jess, and there we have Aaron. And you may call me Kembe. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics in the forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history, and preserving our past may well ensure a future. How many of you have heard the legend of Luke Skywalker? Good. Excellent. All the way around to the young ones. Fantastic. We have two. And now we hear there is another. A new Jedi. One who started off as a scrapper like us. Do any of you know her name? Yes, Rey. What Rey is leading right now is the spark of hope that we've been waiting for. An awakening in the Force. And that is why the Force has brought you here. Now. Excellent. Now take your kyber crystals, place them on the green crystal holders there in front of you. Right here. Because now it's time to join your crystal to the lightsaber design that you've selected. It's time to build the hilt of your lightsaber. This is the foundation of the blade. It is your center of control.
What can I do first?
And it's the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. Now, in the box in front of you, you will find a part you selected outside, and we will lead you through the process of putting them together. First, let's talk about what's in the box. Looking at it from the left, first you'll find your chassis. Then columns 1 and 2 are your grips. Column 3 is emitters, 4 are pommel caps, and 5 are 2 matched pairs of activation plates. Look up at the gatherer in front of you. They will lead you through this. And so, my friends, let's build.
Alright, so Charles, you have those two stations, let's do it together with me. So we're going to establish chassis and hold it like this, please. So this is going to be the top of your lightsaber. Yeah. So you're going to need your crystal now, and you're going to place your crystal in the chamber. Chamber is right here. And top of the chamber, you can push a little bit, and there's tiny little hole in the center that you see. That's where the pointy top of the crystal is going to go. So adjust the pointy top in the little hole and push and slide the bottom in. That's your crystal. If it's in, it should ignite. It's the hardest part actually.
Oh.
So let me know. There you go. Let's adjust.
Just adjust it. Thank you.
It's perfect when you just align it for you, right? Perfect.
Yes, it is.
Now we're going to go to column number 5. Number 5. Looks like we're going to do
There you go.
There's going to be 2 sets.
Where are you going to move this section?
One set. Either the top one or either the
So
bottom.
5, you have a switch, you have 2 sets, you're gonna pick a set. Don't mix it please. Once you pick which one you like, you're gonna flip it and please find a color. One's blue, the other one's red. And same color is on your chassis. And when you put it in, the colors will touch each other. Red touches red and blue touches red.
Now, take a look at the colors on the inside.
Is it supposed to click?
Yeah.
That I might have missed the
Yeah,
click.
this is
You
good.
good?
And
Okay.
slide up.
Okay.
So for you.
Alright, show my sweater. Alright, we're gonna move back to section 1 and 2. You have full sleeves, you're gonna pick 2. Any combination is fine. One goes in the top, the other one goes in the bottom. Okay? When you're putting your chassis, these thicker ends of your sleeve always go towards the switch, okay? And push it to establish the slot.
Okay, so we can pick.
Yeah,
We can
you
pick.
can pick any two.
Any two?
One goes on top, one goes on the bottom.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we'll do.
Push it in. Right with the red. Push it in just like so. There you go. Perfect.
And this one right goes right here.
Push. Yeah, push and twist until you stop. There you go.
Oh, perfect.
Columns 1 and 2. See boys? Columns 1 and 2. 1 and 2.
Like that?
Yeah.
What's the pick?
Yeah, you're gonna pick the emitter now. Pick one from those two, go in this side after the hammer gap to bottom. Just
Okay.
screw it.
This one is
Turn it. Push it first.
Oh my god, this thing is heavy.
Are you happy with the build?
Yeah.
Alright, let me do final check then. Okay, so later on camera tells you activate. When that happens, you're gonna switch, we're gonna hold it together.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Perfect. Thank you.
Just like that. Same thing. I want you to push it this time, alright?
Are you happy with the build?
Now's the dangerous part. Leave your saber at your station, back up as far as you can. Right now, the gatherers are going to insert your hilts into the crystal stabilization chamber. You have to stabilize the crystal inside the saber for activation. This is very dangerous. If something is misaligned, you can have a large expansion of energy in a very short amount of time. This is also known as an explosion. Okay, can you grab that in your hand? There we are. Good catch, Jack. Excellent. Now, I'm going to send a test signal through the chamber system. This control panel connects these chambers and... What's happening?
Many parts over now. Join they are. Yes, Lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
It's Master Yoda. And it is indeed time to take that next step. Builders, we have reached the final part of the process. The bond between Builder and Saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask each of you to come forward to place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber and then on my signal, using your activation switch. Not pulling. All together, we will activate. Come forward. Put your hand on your lightsaber. Activate. Yeah. You got it? Brian's there to help. Builders, raise your lightsabers! You have built a lightsaber! Like the Jedi and Sith who came before you! And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like you when it can, but leave you it cannot. Your journey both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power, and remarkable power should never be dropped on the ground. So, in a moment we will release you all to receive your saber sheaths from Brian before you continue your journey into the outpost. Now our time together is at an end, but your journey is only beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are each as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And maybe next time we'll be telling your story. Builders, raise your sabers. Activate. Show us fire. Now, my friends, go forth. Receive your saber sheaths. Till we meet again in the Spire Steam.
All right, I just finished up building my lightsaber. I got a Jedi with the redstone. Very what's that word? Unconventional. It's not normal to do that. That's what the guy said to me. But I don't care. I thought it was cool looking. So the last thing we're gonna do today is do our last minute shopping and souvenir runs. And then we're gonna end it at Hollywood Studios. So there's a couple shops we want to hit up before we go, on Sunset Boulevard down here, as well as on this main strip right here. But so far, so good, having a ball. We're all tired, wet, and antsy. All right, so we just got our last souvenirs. We got some pins. We got our saber, pretty much everything. We are all tired. We want to get back to the hotel. So this is the last of Hollywood Studios. So we'll see when we get back in the car or hotel with a breakdown of kind of everything we got. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If we end it here, I have no idea. We're all tired.